Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Flutter installed, native toolchains ready, and emulator or device available. Next, create a Firebase project and register your app so Firebase issues configuration files. This lets the SDK identify your app. Once you download Google services, JSON or Google Service Info, Plist, add them to the correct platform folders because Firebase initialization depends on that file. Finally, add Firebase Core and Cloud Firestore to PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pub get so packages are available at build time. Once done with config files and dependencies, initialize Firebase in main. You must call widgets Flutter binding. Ensure initialized before awaiting Firebase. Initialize app because Flutter needs bindings active to complete native setup. Make main async and show a brief loading state while initialization completes, then run app. Also ensure platform files include the Gradle plugin on Android and any required Plist keys on iOS, since missing entries cause runtime failures. You should then import Cloud Firestore and test a simple read to confirm connectivity. You now perform standard Firestore operations. Use Firebase Firestore, instance, collection, doc ID and call get, set, update, or snapshots for streams. Make sure your security rules allow the intended access. During development, use permissive rules temporarily, then tighten them before release. If something breaks, check the device logs for permission or network errors, verify config file placement and app ID, and confirm package versions, match Flutter and Firebase compatibility tables. One key tip: wrong config file location is the most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.